Will Pakistan respond positively to the detailed dossier of 2611 evidence handed over by India yesterday?
Well, India has also shared this very dossier with other friendly nations, including China as well. Now, it all boils down to one thing. India vehemently wants the extradition of the perpetrators of the Mumbai attacks. Just to highlight once again where things stand, India formally handed over the dossier to Pakistan with evidence linking it to the Mumbai terror attacks. The detailed evidence has been shared with 14 other nations whose citizens had died in those attacks. Sanitized versions of the same dossier has also been shared with 167 other countries to inform them. The dossier includes details of the terrorists' communication with people in Pakistan during the attack, GPS coordinates, names of the terrorists and all the weapons that were recovered by the security forces. Apart from all that, diplomatic pressure is building on Pakistan from the US as well.
Well, US Assistant Secretary of State Richard Boucher in fact met top Pakistani leaders yesterday, meeting President Zardari and Prime Minister Gilani as well. Boucher said that his talks with the leaders had been fruitful, and in an off-camera briefing to the Pakistani media, Boucher agreed that there was evidence of Islamabad's links to the Mumbai attackers. He said that the situation along the Indo-Pak border was calm and stressed that India and Pakistan need to share information in the terror probe. But despite the mounting evidence of the dossier and pressure from the US, Pakistan remains defiant.
Yes, it continues to indicate that the evidence is not enough. Here's a similar reaction from Wajid Shamsul Hassan, Pakistan's High Commissioner to the United Kingdom.
As far as Indian allegations are concerned, they are much similar to the past, and we have been telling them that we are willing for a joint investigation, setting up a joint commission to look into the charges and allegations. But so far we have not received any positive response from India. As a matter of fact, they continue with their jingoistic language. We will first like to join hands with India. Let's Indians and Pakistani meet together. Let's see the confession statement. I believe what I have heard, that the confession statement has been given in Hindi by that so-called Pakistani. Pakistanis don't speak Hindi, and the confession statement is clearly in Hindi. And that, do you have any explanation for that? You must remember that India itself has internal insurgencies going on in 8 states. And things there are very serious ones. It could be India's homegrown terrorists involved in these incidents.